Welcome back to the channel. We didn't have a video out last week because of lockdown and we're trying to sort ourselves out. But this week we're going to do it on the Turbo Honda. Currently we're getting it ready for mapping and we've had a couple of issues so far, but come with me, I'll show you. Come with me, cameraman. So we fitted a new turbo down there, which is a Pulsar GTX Gen 2. We've also fixed a couple of the oil leaks. We've got the TPS that we were having issues with, so we've recalibrated that. We've also been through and just checking like the water lines into the turbo, oil lines. We have to still fill the radiator up, but other than that, it's pretty much good to go. We've also stripped the interior. Come with me, I'll show you that. We started to strip the interior, so we're just going through and tidying that up at the minute. So yeah, we've been stripping the car out. We currently have a sunroof bung on the way from Fiberworks because that one is heavy as hell and we don't really need it anymore. So we're getting rid of that. We're also getting it ready for mapping, which was meant to be last month, or meant to be this month, sorry. Hopefully it's next month, but it depends on what happens with lockdown. We'll just kind of see with that one and just wait. We also bought some drag slicks. They're here, some Mickey Thompsons. So hopefully that'll pull the 60 foot down and we can actually get some grip off the line. We've been struggling with grip in this at the minute. So yeah, that should fix that. We've also got spacers on, new spacers to kind of fill the arches a bit more. There hasn't really been massive amounts more going on, just getting the car ready really. So in a couple of weeks time, as you all know, it's Black Friday, so we're going to be doing a massive sale for that. Yeah, wait for that one, that should be really good. It is definitely going to be the biggest sale we've done all year, so that'll be good for you guys. Other than that, just put it back together. Hey Marlon, what are you doing?
Don't disturb me when I'm cleaning my room!
So currently Kim is trying to get rid of all the mess that was on the floor after we took the sound deadening out. As you can see, we still have a little bit to go. We've got to clean it up, but we'll get there.
Oh yeah, big strong man.
Yes. What do you want, you creep?
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? What does it look like I'm doing?
What you doing?
Leave me alone.
You having a nice time?
Go away.
I'm having a nice time.
No, you're not. Neither am I.
So anyway, the interior is pretty much back together.
Is it?
But just got to put the harnesses in, bolt the seats down, and what else, Matthew?
That's it.
I think that's it.
That's it until we get the roof hung from Fiberworks then.
Oh yeah, we're going to get rid of all that crap. What are we about to do, Matthew?
We're going to start it.
Yay! So, it runs after fitting the new turbo. That's a good one. So we're just going to bleed up the radiator. Before we started it, we made sure there was oil and everything. So once the radiator's bled, then we can just put everything back together. So, we've put it back together.
We have put it back together.
We have seats, we have harnesses.
Yep.
And we'll now, the next video on this car will either be, well, it'll have to be mapping next, won't it?
Yeah, it'll probably be mapping. We do have a couple of videos in between, but they're currently secret. But we do have mapping, but it also depends when mapping is because of lockdown.
Yes,
so
but currently it's booked in for the 9th of December.
10th of December currently. But we'll see, who knows. Might be out of lockdown, might be back in again. Who knows?
Who knows?
We'll see.
But thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Like, comment and subscribe and share the video if you can. And we'll see you in another video. Bye.
Bye. Screw you, buddy. Just because your beard's parted.
Just because your beard's made out of beard.